This is Grandpa Cotton, and that's what I used to do for a living, drive trains. Brings back old memories. I miss them days on Terminal Railroad. Y'all be safe at all them crossings out there, and remember, trains can't stop unless old engineers don't want to have to run over nobody. That's 3 Mile Creek right there we're going over. Going out toward the country job, the job that I retired from. There's Grandpa Cotton's white truck sitting there, his new GMC. It's still running and it's old just like Pawpaw, and he still drives it today. That you see behind me back there is the city of Mobile. That's your State Docks interchange. Reminiscing about old days driving trains and making a lot of money. Grandpa Cotton ain't got nothing to do now but go fishing. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.